Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are good. God give you lot of happiness. Today my vlog is about stove. I am making stove at the front of you. You can see how can I make it. First of all, I make a mixture of cement and budgery. Then you can see the next process of stove making. In this way you can make stove at home. This stove is too much strong. You can see the last process of our stove. Approximately our stove is ready. We can burn fire on it. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, Allah Hafiz.